Hello everyone, today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of stuck on loading on the application of Duolingo. You will go to settings. Here in this page we click on apps, default apps, app settings. Here you will search about Duolingo and you will enter. In this page of app info you will click on first stop and you will click OK. Here you will enter to the window of storage. Then we click on clear cache. Here you will turn off your Wi-Fi and you will turn on your Wi-Fi again to fix that problem. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time.